Hello, first of all, I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a new assignment for you. The name of this assignment is Exp22 Excel chapter 1 Cumulative Medical. This is the first assignment of Exp22 course. I have completed this assignment for many of my students and they got 100 out of 100. So if you want me to do this assignment for you or do this complete course for you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. I can solve this complete assignment or this complete course for you. First of all, we will look at the project description. You track your medical expenses each month. You develop a worksheet that contains dates, descriptions, amount billed and amount cash amount co-payment. Your health in let me read it out. Your health insurance provides details the amount not covered and how much was covered by insurance. You want to create formulas, format the sheet to improve readability and copy the worksheet to use template for the next month. So this is all we are going to do. I am professional. I can do these Excel, Word, SS, PowerPoint, Math, Stat, Business Math, Finance, Accounting, Writing, Technical Writing, all these works. If you want me, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address. I will solve all these assignment for you. In the first step, it is saying start Excel, download and open the file name. So I have already opened it. This is open now. Next, we will move to step number 2. In step number 2, it is saying you notice that the 3/21/2024 vision expense on row 10 is duplicate of the expenses on row 8. Select the row 2 and select and delete row 10. As you can see, row 8 and row 2 are almost same, so it wants us to delete row 10. So I will select row 10 by clicking here on row 2 and then I will just select delete. So this is done now. Next, I will move to step number 3. In step number 3, it is saying you want to move 3 to 24 pharmacy expenses to the list in chronological order. Select and cut the row 11 contains 3 to 24 to 2024 pharmacy expenses and insert cut cell on row 5. So here I will select this row 11. I am just going to cut and paste these in insert cut cell here. So here all we are going to do, let me repeat it for you. I am just going to cut the cell and next we have to insert the cell here, or you can just manually just click here and select insert cut cell. These cell will be inserted there. Next we will move to step number 4. Before starting step number 4, I am professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course for you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp, my email address, Instagram, Facebook, whatever you like. Next, it is saying you decided to insert a column for additional data. Insert a new row, a new column A, and type expenses number in A3. So here we will just click. I will click on column A and select insert. Right click and click here. Next, it is saying expenses number in A3. So here I will just type expenses number here. So this is done now. Next we will move to step number 5. In step number 5, it is saying in the new column you want to create a coding system consisting of year, month and a sequential numbering for the expenses. Type this one in cell A4 and autofill to complete the number in the range. So I am just going to copy it and here in A4 I will just going to put cursor in the formula bar and paste. Press enter. This is done. Now I will just double click on it, so it will be filled down. As you can see, it is 001 and a 008 at the end. Next, we will move to step number 6. In step number 6, it is saying after filling in the expenses number, you will increase the column width to display the data. Change the width of column A to 12. So I will just click on column A, and here I will click column width, and here I am just going to type 12. So it will good enough to display all the data. Next, we will move to step number 7. In step number 7, it is saying the worksheet should have a title above the data. Type March 2024 medical expenses in cell A1 and merge and center the title across A1 to J1. So here in I am just going to copy it, and I am going to click in column A, and in the formula bar I am going to paste it, press enter, and I will select from A1 to J1, and I will select merge and center, so it will be merge and center. Next, we will move to step number 8. In step number 8, it is saying the title would look more professional with the same formatting. Apply bold green font color and 14-point font size to the title in. So here we will apply bold. Next, what it is saying, green font color. So here this is font color, we will select green, and next it is saying 14-point size, so I will change it to 14 points. So this is done now. Next, we will move to step number 9. In step number 9, it is saying you decided to replace lab with the laboratory to provide the more descriptive expenses name. Find all occurrence of lab and replace them with laboratory. So here for this, we will go to home tab, and this is find and select. Here we will select replace, and here is we will type find lab and replace. I am just going to copy it, and here I am just going to press Ctrl V, so it will be paste, and we will select replaced all. As you can see that 2 replacement has been made. Next, we will move to step number 10. Before starting step number 10, I am professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course for you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp, my email address, or my Instagram, Facebook, whatever you like. Next, it is saying the worksheet contains spelling error that needed to be identified and corrected. Check the spelling in the worksheet, correct the spelling. So here for this, we will go to review, and in the proofing, this is spelling and grammar. We will change it. It's paid, so we will change it to paid. Next, radiology, and we will change it. So this is done now. Next, we will move to step number 11. And this assignment is consist of almost 27 points. So here I am going to solve almost 20 points for you. If you want me to do the remaining, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. Next, it is saying calculate the adjusted bill in cell F4 by subtracting the amount not covered from the amount billed. So here we will just subtract this D4 and subtract from E4 and press enter, and then we will just drag this formula so it will be copied down. Next, we will move to step number 12. I am professional. If you want me to do this course or do this assignment or do any other assignments, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. Next, it is saying calculate the amount owned in cell I4 by subtracting the insurance paid and copy from the adjusted bill. Copy the formula. So here in I4 we have to adjusted bill and we have to subtract insurance, and copied. And next we have to copy this formula downwards. So we have done with this. Next we will move to step number 13. In step number 13 it is saying finally you will calculate the percentage of the adjustment bill. We will do this. So we will do this. Next it is saying finally you will calculate the percentage paid of adjusted bill. Calculate the percentage of paid adjusted bill in cell J4 by adding the copy and amount owned and dividing by adjusted bill. Copy the formula in the range. For this we'll here put equal sign, and here we have to add these two values in H4 and I4, and then close parenthesis divided by F4. This is done now. Next what it is saying, we have to copy the formula from here. So I will just double click on it, so this formula will be copied down. Next it is saying apply accounting number format for D4 to I4. So here from D4 to I4, from here we will apply accounting number format. Next we will move to step number 15. Before starting step number 15, I am professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course for you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. Next it is saying apply comma style to D5 to I11. So here I will select from D5 to I11, and here is the comma style. I will apply this. Next in step number 16 it is saying apply percent cell style with 1 decimal places from J4 to J11. So first of all I will select from J4 to J11. This is the percentage style, and I will click one time here, so it will increase 1 decimal places. So this is done now. Next we will move to step number 17. In step number 17 it is saying format the column headings on the third row will provide a professional appearance. Wrap text bold and horizontally center the labels in the range A3 to J3. So I will select from A3 to J3, wrap text, center horizontally, and then bold these headings. So it's done. Next we will move to step number 18. In step number 18 it is saying apply green fill and apply thick bottom border to the range A3 to J3. So here I will apply green fill. So this is fill. I will select green fill. Next what it is saying, thick bottom border. So here I will border, and here I will select thick bottom border. So this is done now. Next we will move to step number 19. In step number 19 it is saying apply the good cell style from H4 to J11. So here I will select from H4 to J11, and I will apply good cell style. For good cell style, this is home tab, you will go to cell styles, and this is the good cell style. So this is done now. Next we will move to step number 20. In step number 20 it is saying apply align right and indent 1 to the range J4 to J11. So here we will select J4 to J11, align right. This is here on the home tab, alignment, this is align right, and we will increase indent one time. So this is done now. Next we will move to step number 21. It is saying change the orientation that will enable the data to print out. Select the landscape orientation. Page layout, we will change the orientation to landscape. So this is done now. Next we will move to step number 22. In step number 22 this assignment is consist of almost 27 points. So in step number 22 it is saying set 1 inch top margin and center horizontally between. So for this I will go to margins, custom margin, so top margin 1 inch and center horizontally, so it will be center between both of these. Next it is saying set the scaling to 110. So for here this is scaling, we will change it to 15 110. So this is done now. So only 3 to 4 steps are left. If you want me to do this, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. I will solve out this full assignment for you. Thanks for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Goodbye.